So, hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 29th of June till the 5th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are Gemini. Let's see what we have. La 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 la. We have the Page of Cups. This is somebody who feels like the emotions are developing, the feelings are developing, and this can be a total new person, or it can be somebody that you dealt with at some point of time, and now they feel like coming forward towards you with some kind of emotional kind of energies. Now these are just in the developing phase, okay, or they're trying to keep it like that. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Cups as their feelings for you. I have the High Priestess, the Ten of Wands, and the World card. So this is someone who feels like now the burdensome and heavy and confusing kind of energies are uplifted. Now they're feeling connected to you. Now they can sense your energies. They can sense your feelings. This can be a very spiritual kind of a person. You might be dealing with a very spiritual person, or very intuitive kind of a person, or somebody who is very mature and grounded kind of a person. Now they're feeling like, okay, their heavy and burdensome kind of energies are uplifted. Maybe they were dealing with a lot of stressful things around them in the recent past, and now they are feeling free, and now they feel like connected to their own intuition, and now they're feeling love towards you, feelings towards you, emotions towards you, and or now they are able to understand your feelings and your thoughts towards them, towards the situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Four of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like keeping your emotions, your thoughts, and your energies to yourself. You feel like you're holding on to something or someone very tightly. You are not releasing something or someone out of your system, like not letting go of something or someone. It's like, this is very important for me. I'm not letting go of this. This is quite important. Okay. Let's clarify the Four of Pentacles as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. We have the Chariot, the Four of Wands, and the Magician. You're manifesting commitment here with someone. Not even commitment. You are manifesting this energy of things should move forward very quickly. Things should be successful and victorious no matter. So you're holding on to this vision of successful and victorious kind of a bond with somebody that is like connected to a commitment, and you feel like manifesting this energy with someone even if they want it or they don't want it. Wow. So you feel like manifesting a commitment here with somebody, and you're holding on to this vision of yours like very tightly, because this is very important for you, for your happiness. And you don't care about what the other person is feeling or thinking. You're like, this is what it is and this is how it is going to be. Okay. Okay, Gemini. Got it. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Okay, before moving forward, let me invite you to my 10 days Osho Meditation Festival that's happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026. 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. in the evening, and the fees is 5,100 for Indians, and for others it's $300. It's going to be in English and Hindi both, and this can be a life changing event of your life. There's going to be a lot of trauma healing and pain releasing, and you guys will be able to start or restart your healing or your spiritual journey. And if you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a really fantastic opportunity, and the fees is also quite affordable for 10 days workshop. I can't provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. So you have to attend the live sessions only, and the fees is non-refundable. So apply only when you feel like you are ready and you want to proceed further. Okay, the link is given below in the description box for the same. Read everything, instructions and everything. I told you everything almost, but still. Okay, and then I'll see you in the uh, workshop itself. The previous workshop was a blast. We had a lot of fun, we healed a lot, we shared a lot of healing experiences, and I'll post the reviews in the community post. Raj, watch out the reviews also if you want to, and I'll see you on the other side. I'm very very excited. This can be one of your life changing event of your life. So what are you waiting for? Just apply, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, my love, let's see what this person wants from you, their intentions, Gemini. We have the Queen of Pentacles. This person wants to handle this situation with a lot of compassionate, mature, and grounded kind of energies. They don't want to create any kind of panic or imbalance or any kind of, oh my god, let's do this, let's do that kind of energy. They want to handle the situation with a lot of maturity and groundedness. You might be dealing with a person with age difference, lot of age difference actually, minimum 10. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Might be, not mandatory. We have the Knight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles. See, this person wants something solid, something committed, something long term. Okay, one of you wants something solid, something committed, something long term, and one of you don't want it, and that is the chaos and conflict between you guys. So they want to handle this situation, this conflict and chaos with a lot of maturity. And then only when they are going to be satisfied that this is how it is going to be from this point onwards, then only they are going to invest their time, efforts, and energy into the situation. Otherwise, they're out of this. That's what they want. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? We have the Ten of Swords. You just want to get out of this feeling defeated kind of energy. You want to get out of the betrayals. Now you just want to see the light at the end of the tunnel because you have gone through so many betrayals and heartbreaks and painful experiences. You just want to get up again and see light at the end of the tunnel. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords as your intentions for this particular situation in your life. I have the Fool card, the King of Swords, the Emperor. You just want to keep everything in control. Yeah. You want to take the leap of faith with the universe. You want to take the risk of moving forward in your life, but you want to be brutally connected to this energy that nobody should hurt me. Hmm? You want to keep everything in control, your emotions, your energies, and the other person's emotions and energies too. That's not possible, but that's what you want. You want control. You want surety. You want answers like this is how it is going to be, and we are going to follow this protocol as if you are an FBI agent or something. And if this is not going to be according to my plans, so you want my way or highway kind of energy. Else things are not working out, and you're not playing this game anymore. And this is definitely not going to work out with this kind of attitude. But this is what you want. Yep. No matter what you call it. Yeah, but I'm trying to protect myself. Yeah, but I don't want to get hurt. It's control. Hmm? You don't want to get hurt, my ass. You just want control. Yours and somebody else's also, like a remote control or something. It's not going to happen like that. Trust me. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 5th of July 2026, Gemini. We have the Emperor. Yeah. Sitting in your power, trying to be in control, trying to be in charge, and then being in this energy of I'm going to show everybody who I am. Let's clarify the Emperor as the potential outcome for you guys. Okay. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Three of Pentacles, and the Page of Swords. Yep. It's like you're creating all the scenarios and stories and everything in your head. It's like I do see a highly imbalanced kind of energy, on and off, in and out, imbalanced, a partnership, a collaboration. There is somebody else here in the equation for sure. It's physically present in your life. They are not in the memories or visions only. You guys are watching each other from a distance. Energetically you are connected. Maybe you're meeting each other some time to time. Maybe you are communicating with each other from time to time. But you guys are, one of you is feeling like the need, the urge to control the whole dynamics, to control the whole situation, and that is creating more and more imbalance in the situation. Right now it's something that you guys can work on and resolve. But if it is going to continue like this, you're definitely going to uh, lose this person or the situation, because this is not going to work out like this, Gemini, no matter how hard you try. Hmm? There is going to be on and off, in and out kind of energy in a particular dynamics, and then there is going to be a lot of curiosity, lot of uh, what we call that, seeing each other from distance, like, I'm not getting the exact word, spying on each other, not spying like crazy, like keeping tabs on each other from a distance, and on and off, in and out, you guys are talking or connecting or reconnecting, but one of you is having this brutal energy of wanting to control each and everything, and that in itself is creating clashes in a dynamics. Yep. Again, right now it's something that you guys can work on, but if you guys are going to continue like this, something is going to crash sooner or later. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Gemini. We have the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Sun card. Yes, this vision of yours that you're holding on to, but I'm doing it for love, because I know this is the good, this is good for me, this is good for the situation, this is good for them. No, my love, you are doing it out of control. You are doing it because you don't want to get hurt. You're doing it just because you want to make sure that everything is going to be perfect this time, and nothing is going to make you feel like an ass again. I don't know what to say. Yeah. So until unless you guys are going to release this control and handle this situation with purity, maturity, and openness, this situation is not going to go anywhere. It's going to go in circles and circles and circles, and then one day one of you is going to crash, because this is not how it should be. Not at all. I'm telling you the same thing like for from last 3-4 minutes. Listen to me carefully if you want to. If you don't want to, who gives a fuck? Your wish, your life, right? So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. Gemini, this portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And what else? Yeah, so you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to, if you are not going to get a clear cut yes or no. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is reconsider. Mm. The way you are handling this situation, reconsider that thing. This card suggests that what you are hoping for or trying to achieve in the way that you are currently approaching it might not be the best outcome for you. Think again and consider a different option, maybe releasing the control. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.